Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Match Trader, so let's break it down in a clear, no-nonsense way. So first, what exactly is Match Trader? Well, Match Trader is not a broker and it's not a prop firm. It's a trading platform, a piece of software that brokers and prop firms use to let traders access Forex, CFDs, and crypto markets. Think of it as the technology running in the background, similar to MT4 or MT5, but owned by Match Trade Technologies. Now, let's talk about the good parts people mention. One big positive is the modern interface. Match Trader works on web, mobile, and desktop, and many versions include trading view charts, which traders already know and like. This makes basic charting and analysis feel familiar and fairly intuitive. Another plus is built-in tools. Some versions include new news feeds, social or copy trading features, and quick trade panels. For newer traders or people experimenting with strategies, these extras can be really useful. Also, from a broker's point of view, MatchTrader is easy to deploy since it's white label software. Brokers can launch a branded platform without forcing traders to install multiple apps or complicated software. Now, let's get into the common complaints because this is where my opinions really split. A lot of traders report usability issues compared to MT5 or CTrader. Some users say the interface feels clunky, especially when adjusting stop loss or take profit levels. Simple actions can feel less precise or less intuitive. Another major concern is trade execution. There are reports of slippage, stop losses not triggering as expected, or trades closing earlier than intended. These issues don't affect everyone, but when they happen, they're serious, especially for active or funded traders. Then there's customer support, which gets criticized often. Many users say they couldn't get help with login issues, trade disputes, or withdrawals. And to be fair, MatchTrade itself doesn't handle trader accounts, the broker does. But from a trader's perspective, that distinction doesn't make the experience any less frustrating. You'll also notice mixed to poor ratings on review sites like Trustpilot in some regions. There are plenty of one-star reviews calling the platform unreliable or even a scam, while a smaller group of traders report smooth, problem-free experiences. This inconsistency is a big red flag for some people. And here's an important reminder. MatchTrade is not a regulated broker. It doesn't hold funds, manage accounts, or control withdrawals. All of that depends entirely on the broker or prop firm using the platform. So your experience can vary wildly depending on who's behind it. So what's the final verdict for 2026? Well, MatchTrader can be a functional modern trading platform with decent charting and multi-device access. It's convenient for brokers and usable for basic trading. But it also comes with real concerns. Execution complaints, UI frustrations, and inconsistent user experiences. Compared to industry leaders like MT5 or CTrader, many traders see it as more limited and less reliable. So the bottom line here, Match Trader itself isn't automatically good or bad. Your experience depends heavily on which broker is using it and how well they've set it up. So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.